A boy, who cried wolf. There was once a young shepherd's boy. He tended his sheep at the foot of a mountain near a dark forest. It was boring for him all day. He thought upon a plan by which he could get a little company and some excitement. He rushed down towards the village calling out, "Wolf, wolf!" And the villagers came out to meet him. Some of them spent time with Shepherd's boy. He was happy, so he decided to repeat the trick again after a few days. Again the villagers came to help the boy. But one day a wolf came out from the forest. The wolf wanted to eat the sheep. The boy of course cried out, "Wolf, wolf!" He cried again and again. But this time the villagers thought the boy made a joke again. Nobody came to help the boy. So the wolf had a good meal. It ate all the